Hey guys, welcome back. I have some things that I found about XRP this past few days, so I decided to post it right after this video about the outwitting the devil, or interview with the devil. So here goes. Back in the early 1900s, the federal government came in and took everyone's gold. They pretty much priced them out of gold. They bought it back. It's a buyback for gold, and they bought it all back, and then the gold went up after they pretty much just took it from the people. And I think this is about to happen again because I ran into this guy on Twitter. He's just starting out, but he's called, his name is XRP Lion 1, and he discusses this buyback thing. Now, to the normal folks, he looks a little bit crazy. Even to me, he looks like he's nuts. But I'm also nuts to some people. So, but anyways, so he's saying that there's going to be a Fed buyback like in December, and then, you know, along with all these other things going on with BitBoy and everybody else saying the XRP will go up, you know, $30, $50, $100 after this SEC is settled mid-September. So everything is lining up. Everything's lining up for this. So I have a vibe to this news that XRP Lion is saying. Like, it makes perfect sense to me. It makes perfect sense that they would allow XRP to get settled and then run it up to 30, and people will be selling it as fast as possible. And then $100, and people will still be selling it. To $500, people still selling it. And it'll keep going up until it hits the buyback price that this guy is saying come December this year. A buyback price of like $4,000. I don't know if it's going to be exactly December. It could be after. I don't even know if it's going to hit 4,000. Or I don't even know what the Fed buyback price will be. But I think this is the max that these elite billionaires will allow us to sell our XRPs. Because it's destined to go much higher, and it's going to go to the banks, and they don't want us to hold it. So this buyback, from what I understand, is he's saying is that it's a take it or leave it. So once the banks buy up all these XRPs up to $1,000 or $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, the last price is $4,000. Whatever we don't sell at $4,000 price, they will just close it off. They will just the XRP will become pretty much worthless or useless if it doesn't get sold back to the exchanges or government or central banks. So from what I understand too, is that each country will have a central bank. As you can see, like some countries have starting to have banks that will be trading cryptocurrency, and this makes sense. While exchanges are shutting down off-ramps for XRP and on-ramps of XRP, like Canada just closed it off with some Coinberry, and then I think some people are having issues with Uphold. So there's a lot of things going on that tells me that this might be true. So each country, about end of the year, will have a bank that says, a central bank in the country saying you can sell your XRP Fed buyback at this price, $4,000, and you give them your wallet address or whatever. And there's things you can do also to make sure you don't give them. You know, you can buy a new ledger and put your XRP in there, and then that way it's separate from your other, because they're asking for your passphrase to your wallet, which I don't know how it's gonna work. But anyways, so each country will have a central bank, and people can sell their XRP back to the central bank, and they will use it for liquidity for all bank to banks using the RippleNet, right? So I don't know, guys. I mean, this makes perfect sense to me. Like 4,000 is the last price they're gonna allow us, the rest of us, because a lot of people will sell out up to that up to that amount. And I said 1,000 coins. If you waited that long, 1,000 coins, XRPs of $4,000 is like 4 million. So, man, it's good. It's a good chunk for like the normal folks, or Matty G would say the peasants. That would be their prices. But for the guys who have a lot of XRPs, you know, like BitBoy said he had 75 or 125 or 175,000 XRP. So he's gonna be like, they're gonna be looking at him, you know, making sure that he does exactly what he's supposed to do with his XRPs and sells it, or he doesn't. But this whole scenario, it sounds nuts and crazy, but it just seems like it's making sense. It just makes so much sense that they would take it away, because they did it back with gold. So this is a new monetary system again, because they did it with gold before they even did the gold back. Oh, they took away the gold from the oil. They went oil back in the 70s, I think. And so there's always manipulation, and they're trying to do their little plans. So I think this might be a good thing. I don't know what you're gonna do. Just I'm gonna sell some at my targets, just so I can get home and get prepared and do all these things, you know. But one more thing too is that there's a flow chart that shows, like, if you bought it like illegally with a VPN while you're in US, like it's called a clawback. They're gonna take it back from you, unless you bought it from what I understand, Uphold is good, or BitTrue, or even Coinbase when it was listed on there. But if you used like a VPN, they will take your XRP back, or they won't even give you money for it, you know, or they just take it back. I don't have no idea, guys. But this scenario makes so much sense. Tell me what you think. I know there's a couple of you guys that really listen to this, so that's all I'm really focused on. It's just a few people that listen. But just be ready. Again, I would get off the exchanges right now, because if this happens, they just take it from the exchange. If it's a buyback, and the exchange will just sell it at that current price and give it to them. You know, you gotta keep it in your wallet. So do that. At least keep it safe in your own wallet. Get off the exchanges. All right. So follow the XRP Lion guy. He just started. I think he's got like less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. He has like one video. It's like 30 seconds long, but I think he's just starting. Like I say, he's a little out there. So just take that with a grain of salt. But I think what he's saying is possible. It's very highly possible. And with BitBoy saying XRP and SEC here mid-September, I mean, we could go up already. So just be ready, guys. All right, thanks. See ya. Bye.